Hey students, welcome to another Mr. Ness screencast. Today's aim is models of urban land use in the US. And here are your objectives. Please pause the video, look these questions over, and get ready to copy some vocab terms and take some notes. Land use is the purpose that land serves. In other words, it answers the question, what is the land being used for? When geographers speak of urban land use, they're referring to the different activities that take place in different parts of a city. And they also call this functional zonation. There are three types of urban land use: residential, which is homes or apartments that people live in; commercial, which means businesses of any kind; and industrial, which means factories and warehouses. Over the next few days in class, you will be learning about models of urban land use. Models of urban land use predict where certain activities are located in a city. What activities are located where and why? Remember von Thunen's model of agricultural land use? It predicted how land is used in the countryside. And in the same way, models of urban land use predict how land is used in a city. For example, one model called the Burgess model, shown here, predicts that different land use activities will occur in different ring-shaped areas that surround downtown. You'll look at the Burgess model and other models in class, and you will finish filling out this term on your vocab sheet then. Let's go to the next term. A component of every model of urban land use is the Central Business District, or CBD. The Central Business District is the commercial center of a city. Let's look at some features of this particular area of the city. First, the CBD, Central Business District, has a concentration of businesses, and that means that there are a lot of stores and office buildings in the CBD. Second, the CBD is a hub of transportation networks, which means that it's a meeting place for subways, buses, streetcars, or trains. The city's main train station is often located in the CBD. Third, the CBD has the highest land costs in the entire city. And in order to occupy less land and save money, developers build vertically up. And that results in a lot of very tall skyscrapers in the CBD. And because land is so expensive, the CBD is not residential. In other words, there are not a lot of people living in the CBD. It's almost all commercial. In cities before 1945, the Central Business District means the same thing as downtown. But after 1945, because of suburbanization, there are cities where the CBD, or even multiple CBDs, are found in an edge city away from the traditional downtown. And the last term today is bid-rent theory. Bid-rent theory is the idea that as the distance from the CBD increases, the price of land decreases. Another way of saying this is land that is closer to downtown is more expensive, and land that's farther from downtown is less expensive. Bid-rent theory explains why there are so few homes but so many skyscrapers in the CBD. Skyscrapers with many offices can afford the rent in the CBD, while a single-family home or even apartment building could not. As a result, residential areas are always outside of the CBD where land is cheaper. Now it's time to review the objectives. If you don't know the answer to any of them, just rewind the video and look again. And I will see you in class. Bye, students.